In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Hostinger and navigate hPanel. To get started, head to the Hostinger login page or open hPanel directly if you have that link saved. Both take you to the same place where you can securely access your account. On the sign-in screen, enter the email address you used when you created your Hostinger account, along with your password. Take a moment to double check for common typos and make sure caps lock isn't accidentally on. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it autofill to reduce mistakes. If you originally signed up using Google or another social login, choose that same option instead of typing a password. Sticking with the method you used during signup helps prevent login errors and keeps your account details consistent. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Open your Authenticator app or check the method you set up and enter the code. Have your trusted device nearby before you begin, so this step is quick and seamless. Remember, 2FA is a valuable extra layer of protection, so it's worth the few extra seconds. After you log in successfully, you'll land in your Hostinger dashboard, also known as hPanel. This is your control center. From here, you can choose what you want to manage. Open the websites section to access your sites, install apps, or use tools like the file manager. Head to domains to manage domain registrations, DNS records, and name servers. Go to emails to create or manage email accounts and settings linked to your domains. And if you need server level controls, the hosting section is where you adjust performance settings, manage backups, and view technical details. Take a minute to look around. The layout is designed to be straightforward so you can quickly find what you need. If your login doesn't work, don't worry. Click the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page. Follow the prompts, check your inbox for the reset message, and create a new strong password you'll remember. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or junk folder. Finally, make future access easier by bookmarking the login page in your browser. That way, you can jump straight to it next time without searching. Most browsers let you click the star icon in the address bar to save the page in your bookmarks. And that's it. You now know how to log into Hostinger. Complete two-factor authentication, reach your dashboard, navigate key sections in hPanel, recover access if needed, and save the login page for faster access later.